In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. This can be really handy if you find that it's not serving your needs, or if you just want a more streamlined browsing experience without AI suggestions popping up. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Microsoft Edge open on your computer. If you haven't already launched the browser, go ahead and do that now. Edge has a lot of great features, but sometimes the AI assistants might feel a bit intrusive, or simply not what you're looking for while you browse the web. That's completely understandable. Once Edge is open, look toward the top right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll see 3 horizontal dots, which is the menu icon for Edge. Go ahead and click on that icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From that drop-down menu, you're going to want to scroll down and locate the Settings option. Click on it. Once you click on Settings, a new page will open up. This is where you can adjust all kinds of options for your Edge browser, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, on the left-hand sidebar of the Settings page, you'll see several categories. Look for the one labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. Click on that. This is where you can control your Edge experience, including privacy settings and other personalized features. As you scroll down on the right side of the screen, keep an eye out for a section that mentions Services. This is typically where you'll find AI-related features, including Copilot. Depending on the current version of Edge you have, you might see Copilot, or it may be listed with something like Search Suggestions. Click on that section, and you should find settings specifically related to Copilot or AI assistance. You will notice a toggle switch. This is your best friend right now. Simply turn that switch off to disable Copilot AI in Edge. In case you want to use it again in the future, remember that you can always come back and toggle it back on whenever you'd like. Now, if you're prompted to confirm your decision, just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize disabling the feature. Once you've successfully toggled it off, you can take a moment to notice any changes in your browsing experience. After you've turned off Copilot, you should find that your browsing feels a little quieter, less cluttered by AI suggestions. This can definitely enhance your focus, especially if you're working on something important or just want to enjoy a distraction-free browsing session. Before we wrap up, I'd also recommend that you explore the other options in the settings to customize your Edge browsing experience to suit your preferences even further. There are always new features and options being introduced, so it could be helpful to keep an eye on these. And remember, if you ever decide that you want the Copilot AI back, you can simply revisit the same settings and toggle it back on. It's all very straightforward, ensuring you feel in control of your browser at all times. So that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn off Copilot AI in Microsoft Edge. If this video has helped you out today, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe.